I know that this is not my normal location to film, but since I have so much to show you inside this box, we decided to change it up a little so you can see me and the products. So if you don't already know, I am part of what's called the EC Squad. I was very honored to be chosen as part of a group of influencers who do receive gifted product from Erin Condren throughout the year, the opportunity to try it, test it, play with it, and then share it with all of you. I normally share most of my finds over on my Instagram. If you're not following me over there, I will link it above and it's down in the description box. But if you're a big planner fan, then you know that this week Erin Condren launched their newest life planner and accessories to go with it. So I have my box here. Looks exactly how it came to me. I did rip off my address label, but I thought it'd be fun to open it up and go through it and stick through to the end because there will be a giveaway and I'll talk about that at the very end. So let's go, let's open up this box. Always comes beautifully put together with the tissue, and then what I love is there's also added bubble wrap to just make sure everything is nice and secure. So this is the life planner, and we'll get to this in just a minute. It does come in this, I don't know, decorative travel box. I know a lot of you like to save these, but let's talk about some of these accessories inside. I'm actually gonna just unpack the box so we can get straight to playing with everything in here because there's quite a lot of things. Now, I'm not going to unwrap everything because I want to give a lot of this away. So if I'm not unwrapping it, it's a pretty good sign it's gonna end up in the giveaway. So the first thing that caught my eye are these fine tip markers. This is a set of 24 and it has 12 on the top and then another 12 on the back in this really nice hard case. I absolutely love the Erin Condren markers. I think I own every single color in the dual ended, and it's taking a lot of willpower not to save this for myself, but since I already have so many markers, they have overtaken my desk, I'm going to save this as part of the giveaway. I love that it has a case to hold it all because my marker collection has absolutely gotten out of control, and something like this would absolutely come in handy. They don't smear if you're left-handed, which is really important for me because I am left-handed, and they don't bleed through paper, which is also super important. So that's the first thing I wanted to share. Then there is this beautiful planny pack. Now this is more useful if you travel around with your life planner. There is an elastic band on one side so it can slip around and hold your life planner shut, and then inside it has a zipper across the top, and you can put all your planning accessories in there, pens, washi tape, stickers, what have you. This one is beautiful. This mirrors the new Flora art on one of the life planner options. And what I really like about it is I'm a sucker for rose gold. It has a rose gold zipper and then a rose gold glitter elastic strap on the back. I think this is absolutely beautiful. Now you don't have to use this for your life planner. I have a couple of these and I don't travel with my life planner. I actually use these sometimes when I travel to put jewelry, other things in. I mean, who doesn't need a pouch? I mean, you could stick it in your purse and it could just be like a general catch-all pouch, and comes quite in handy. So there you go. Okay, now this I already have, and I think this is really versatile. This is not new. It's their DIY interchangeable pen kit. So this comes with the actual barrel, and then you choose which of these tips you want to put on either end. And you have the option of 4 chisel tips, 3 bullet tips, and 6 fine tips in a variety of colors. And then on the back, it'll tell you, what the options are, what color, and all that. Of course, every good accessory pack from Erin Condren is going to have their newest sticker book. This one's pretty neat because it also has washi tape options as well, just like already pre-cut in here, which I think is beautiful. And the one that I have, of course, goes with that Flora theme, which, not to spoil the surprise, but that's the theme going on inside this box. At least I think so. I also have 3 mini snap-in bookmarks. These really come in handy because, of course, the life planner always comes with the snap-in ruler, but I like to keep another bookmark like at the month at a view, and then sometimes also to section off the back section where I have notes, stickers, what have you. It's just easier to get to those, so nice to have a couple extra. It also has a snap-in dashboard, And I like this one because it has bullet points on this side. So if you want to do like your to-do list right here, you can absolutely do that for the week. On the other side, you can see it has it broken down into days of the week, and you can use that for your meal planning or to write out your workouts or whatever you want to do to get yourself more organized. We always can use some help. I'm a big fan of Post-it notes. I put Post-its everywhere, and of course, there is the matching sticker Post-it. They're not Post-its. What do they call these? Sticky notes. I'm sorry. Post-its brand name. These are the Erin Condren version, and they're all blank except this one long one does have lines on it, which again could be like a little to-do list, which I really like. More stickers, and then this is pretty neat. I like a checklist. This is a checklist dashboard, so it has the side where you can clip it right into your life planner, and then it has, I mean, you could write anything, your whole list of whatever you need to do, and then the checklist throughout the day. There's so many things. You can do errands, chores, keep track of your water intake, whatever you need a checklist for. There you go. And then inside this box is one of her beautiful, very hefty ballpoint pens. I'm not gonna open this. And then of course, 2 rolls of washi tape. So those are all the accessories, and these are all going to go to one of you. I feel like I'm on like a home shopping thing. This whole setup makes me feel like I'm presenting something. It's just easier for me to lay it all out here, but I'm not, we're just chit-chatting. And then of course we have the Life Planner, which is obviously the big focus, the big launch. And this is going to be given away as well. You slide the box open, and then this has the nice little tissue. I opted to get, hopefully whoever is getting this wants this layout. I opted to get the Flora design with the rose gold coil, horizontal spread, and I think this is the neutral. It's not colorful. It doesn't have my name or anything on it. It just says grow through what you go through. I love that. That's what this inspirational quote, grow through what you go through. I really like that. Has, of course, the usual. And then the one that they sent me, of course, it comes with the usual pack of things. It has your little compliment cards and I think a coupon for something. Has the vellum cover. I mean, everything looks exactly the same from, you know, previous years. This one, however, starts, this is an 18-month, so it starts in July of this year, so July 2021, and it goes all the way through December 2022. I personally like a yearly calendar, not a school year calendar. My life doesn't revolve around the school year so much anymore, so I like a January through December life planner. I already have my 2021. I will just order a 2022 later this year. So I want to give this to one of you who maybe wants to start planning come July. Okay, so the layout is going to be the same as every year. A little bit of a change on this is that the font over the calendar, of the monthly calendar, is this really pretty kind of handwritten script, but you know, the month tabs are more of a pastel. Something that I personally think is really neat, each month is a different flower. So this month, July, is the orchid. I think the orchid stands for beauty and strength, and it says grow in beauty and strength where you are planted. So that's kind of nice. It's just a little extra. It doesn't, you know, have anything to do with your planning. And then there's the usual full month spread, and then line sheets, notes, goals, whatever. It's blank for each month. And then it goes into your horizontal weekly spread. And then in the back, of course, you have, as usual, the pocket folder, the perpetual calendar, and what do we have? Oh, cool. Okay, this is new, and this is in response to requests. It's a customize your calendar with these enhanced sticker sheets. So these are other holidays that maybe aren't as mainstream. So Grandparents' Day, International Day of Peace. There's a variety of holidays and theme days, I guess you would say, that are listed here, which is nice to add. They have included, I believe, a lot more holidays than just the Judeo-Christian ones, which is kind of nice. I mean, they even have some of the less known Jewish holidays, like they have when Sukkot begins and ends, which I personally appreciate because I never know without looking it up because it changes from year to year. So they have made some changes based on user requests, which is nice. So this is the Life Planner that is not staying here. It's going away to one of you. Now I could go on and on about the paper weight, the weight of the paper that they use, and the quality of the coils. And here's the thing, I have gone through so many planners until I settled on the Erin Condren one. And I will admit, the first order I ever placed with them was less than pleased. I'll link to that original video where I really was not pleased with the customer service. Since then, it's been, I think this is my 6th or 7th year using it. It's definitely improved, and it's just personal choice. So like for me, I like the larger size because I keep it on my desk. When I am away from home, I do everything on my phone, and I use a totally different app called the Cozy app. I get asked about that all the time. I will put that down in the description box. It's a free app. I have opted to do a subscription for, I think it renews once a year, and it gives me more features, but I used it for a good year or two without upgrading, so don't feel like you need to upgrade it. I like being able to write things down. I need to see things visually, and the act of writing things out helps me remember. So I just personally like the layout of the horizontal Erin Condren planner. I like it, just makes sense in my mind. They do, of course, have the vertical one. They have an hourly one. And new this year, I didn't get it, they have an A5 size, so it's more of a traditional smaller size planner. I don't know why I'm doing this. You can't, I'm miming the size of it. So I'm thrilled. I know it's a little more expensive than some other planners out there, but I just absolutely love my Erin Condren, and I buy one every single year. Now, the other thing I wanted to talk about is some creative ways to do place settings or little goodie bags using Erin Condren stuff. And I'm bringing this up because, first of all, I had a ladies brunch last month. If you're a newsletter subscriber, you saw the behind the scenes pictures from that. And you know, things are opening up all over the country, if not the world. Most people, or many people, are vaccinated. It gives you the opportunity to get together with friends, an opportunity we did not have last year. And this group of women, my old vlogs, you will have seen them. We came together because our sons are all best friends, and we became friends through them, and we've continued our friendship as the boys have scattered all over the country. And so those are the women that came. A couple of them at last minute life intervened. It is definitely harder to get together with friends as you get older, as your kids get older. So a few of the ladies actually couldn't come, and I wanted to show you some of the ideas I use to just do a little bit more. One of the things, this is new for Erin Condren, I actually ordered one for myself. So at each place setting, I got them monogram stationery. I chose the first letter of their first name, and so like this one is an M for me. I got one for myself. So this was sitting in lieu of place cards at each place setting so that everybody knew where to sit. And the reason why they had to be assigned seats is because I got everybody a goodie bag as well. And Erin Condren graciously offered to donate these gift bags. Well, not this actual bag. This is not the prettiest. This is courtesy of the dollar store. I stuffed it with some pretty paper. They have great tissue paper, by the way, at, is it Dollar Tree? I think it's Dollar Tree. Fabulous, like gold, sparkly, confetti ones. Definitely go check out your local dollar store. They have, you know, pretty gift bags, coordinating tissue. So inside each bag was some personalized stuff. So I'm not gonna hold up their name, but I'll show you the one I got. So I ordered everybody a pad of a personalized notepad. Everybody got a rose gold softbound notebook. I have one of these as well. I always have one in my purse. They're a great size. They fit in just about any kind of bag. Erin Condren also sent all of the ladies this, basically it's like a, what do they call this? It's like a little crossbody bag. It's almost like a wallet on a chain too though, because on the inside it has a dust bag. It has a zipper pocket on one end, and then it has like little card slots and a place to put money on in the other side. And initially I thought that maybe I was going to put everything in here and then put it on the plate, but I ended up changing my mind. And then I ordered everybody a matching bag strap. I love these bag straps. You know how much I love changing out the bag straps on all of my bags. And my three best sources are Social Threads, Amazon. Amazon can be hit or miss. And Erin Condren. Got some really nice, less busy. They have some more options if you just want some nice solids, but then they also have things like this really pretty floral. And then I got everybody a ballpoint pen. And these were on clearance when I ordered these. These are thin ballpoint pens, and I just think they're so pretty. One's rose gold, and then the other one's like a blush pink. Just so cute. So anyway, I put all that in a bag just because I wanted it to be a little extra special for the ladies since we haven't seen each other in so long. So I would love to hear from you. How do you use your life planner? If you don't use an Erin Condren life planner, what is your favorite kind of planner? I'm always, looking to see what the newest thing is. I personally am not a sticker person. I don't decorate. I don't journal. I just use it to keep track of appointments, schedule stuff, birthdays. I just write in what I need to write in. And I write in less these days than when I had kids at home, but I still like having that physical act of writing this stuff out. And then about once or maybe sometimes twice a week, I'll pull up my Cozy app on my desktop on my computer and make sure everything is coordinated and written down in both the life planner and loaded up onto the app. That's how I personally use it. Would love to hear from some of you how you do it. And then finally, the giveaway. There's really nothing to it. I have a Rafflecopter link down in the description box. The only requirement is you enter. I will box everything up. I will give you guys a week to enter. I will have Rafflecopter pick a name, and then I will post the winner on the community tab on my YouTube channel, and I'll also post it in my Instagram or on my Instagram feed, not in the stories, but my feed as well. And before I post anything, I will contact the winner by email to confirm everything. So I can't wait to send, well, not this one's mine. I can't wait to send these items to one of you. I hope, good luck. I wish I could send something to everybody. That's not physically possible, but I'm happy to send this to one lucky winner. As always, thank you to all of you for hanging out with me today. I forgot to add, this video is not sponsored, not compensated, just wanted to share this and literally share it through a giveaway, and I thought this would be the best way to do it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you had some fun. Good luck to everyone who's entering, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!